Hi up guys, and this video I will show you how to confirm your identity on Facebook. Firstly, if you wanna go and select the person side which you can get up and confirm your identity on Facebook, you need to go up to your browser and then you need to go and type for confirm your identity Facebook. Go for the first selection, and here firstly you need to log in, as you know, on your Facebook account, and then you need to fulfill all these informations, which the first one is what forms of ID does Facebook accept, how do I upload my ID to Facebook, what happens to my ID after send it to Facebook. If you tap on it, they're gonna show you a description by the supporting team of Facebook, and they're gonna tell you what's in this section. Now get back and just here go choose files, click on it, and then select the images of your confirming identity section, and then just go for send, and you'll need to wait 24 hours to get that feedback from supporting team of Facebook to get that your identity is confirmed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.